Everyone, thanks for joining us today. Ken Davis from Acme Tools. Today I've got DeWalt's brand new job site LED headlamp on, and there's one neat feature about this that makes it very handy to have with you. But first of all, let's talk specs. What makes this one so important? 104 lumens on this with a 3-meter drop resistance to it, and anti-shatter glass on it makes it tough for your job site work. It's also IP54 rated, so it's going to be dust and water resistant. On the high setting, you're going to be at 6.5 hours of runtime, and on the low setting, you'll be at 30 hours of runtime on a single set of batteries. Now, what makes this so handy for you at your job site is during the wintertime when you're wearing those large gloves and you certainly don't want to take them off to go and turn that on button on, this one's actually motion activated. So, with a simple wave of a hand or any object, you're able to get light on whatever you're doing to keep your day going strong. Thanks for watching with us today, everyone, and remember, always do your best work.